A Friend 007 is a global free platform connecting million people from around the world. It is one of the world's first fintech platform for social and business communication. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video I am going to share each and everything regarding Friend 007, and I will also tell you that how you can earn maximum number of money with the help of this platform. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update. Okay, first of all, basically this token Friend 007 is listed on about 4 different exchanges: McAfee and Bitkratic, and multiple exchanges like this. So you can easily buy this token directly from these exchanges. So first of all, what is Friend 007 platform all about? First of all, you have to sign up. I will basically share the link in the description so you can easily sign up on the platform. Here you can find out different things. First of all, Friend 007 new generation social network where you can earn with your daily activities more than $1,000. So that is such a great thing. You have to sign up over here. You can basically share the posts, you can share your own referral links, and you can even basically use your own referral link, and with the help of your referral link, if anyone is going to sign up, then you are going to earn. That is such a great thing. Secondly, basically Friend Coin 007 with 99% discount, store in a secure wallet and send money to anyone. Right now they are offering a free coin. Friend FC 007 is a global ERC20 cryptocurrency that people can use for their everyday needs, and is a new global payment system. Main mission of FC007 is to make both the fiat and crypto easy accessible for the vast majority of people. Here you can read each and everything on the main, you can say, platform when you are going to sign up. Secondly, how you will earn money from here. First of all, you have to click on the upper right side, and then you can find out the major thing, that is basically the edit. You have to click on edit, then you can find out all the major options. First of all, especially here you can find out the profile, security, social links, everything. But first of all, you have to complete the verification, and secondly, you have to enter your own personal MyEther wallet address. And here comes the earnings. For example, if you want to use your own referral link, then you have to click on earnings. Then you will basically get your own referral link, and with the help of your referral link, you are going to get number of money, because whenever anyone is going to sign up with your referral link, you are going to earn. And if anyone is going to basically make a post, make a blog on this platform, you are going to make number of money on this platform. Secondly, you have to do another thing, that is basically the wallet. You have to click on the wallet, and then you have to enter your personal MyEther wallet address and everything. And if you want to buy the FC007 tokens, you can directly buy it from this platform. It is entirely very easy. You just have to click on continue, and then you will easily basically buy FC007 tokens directly from this platform. Now the major things regarding this platform which I am going to tell you is basically how you can create your own blog, because it is very easy. You can basically create your own group, your own forum, your own blog. And as we all know, I'm not going to mention the name of that very platform, but everyone is using at this time. But the thing is this, they are not paying well. At this time, the whole platform FC007 is paying number of money to you if you are going to use it. Here you can find out all the options, especially for example, if you want to create your own page. Now I'm going to click on the pages. Right now it is very easy that I can basically create. For example, you have to click over here, and now you can easily click you can easily make your own blog, your event, your group, your page. So for example, I am going to create a page over here. First of all, okay, you have to mention the name of the page, then you have to basically decide each and everything, the description, then your page will be created, and you'll be able to basically send your link to your friends, and then if they are going to join you, you are going to get number of money. For example, if you don't want these type of things, then you simply a simple option you have, you can easily basically put any type of post over here. You can basically upload an image, you can upload the video over here, and with the help of that, if anyone is going to watch that one, you are going to make money through it. So it is such a great thing. You can make friends on this platform, and very easily you can make number of Friend 007 FC007 tokens. And as I told you that this token is available on multiple exchanges, so it will be entirely easy for you to trade this token on those exchanges. Okay, now the second thing is basically the white paper. I will tell you the major things regarding the white paper. Friend, 007 is a coined as all-in-one multifunctional decentralized fintech platform. It will be also a pioneer social network in the field of blockchain based dApps. The aim is to shape a tool that brings the crypto sphere closer to everyday users. Okay, it means, for example, if you want to create your own page, then basically they are going to give you FC007 tokens. Now, how you can promote your page, that is such a great thing. For example, if you want number of people over here, then you just have to click over here. First of all, you have to basically create your own page. Then, for example, after creating the page, here you can find out the major option is basically advertising. You also have the chance to basically advertise your page, your campaigns, everything, and with the help of that, number of people are going to join your page, your group, your blog. So with the help of that, you are going to get multiple money. So it is such a great thing regarding this platform. I will share my link in the description so you can easily join it. And also, if you have any type of questions regarding this platform, you can easily message to the admins, because they are there for you 24/7, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. And as you can see it by yourself right now, people are basically using this platform and making money every day. Thanks a lot.